Good morning and namaskar to the respected coordinator or teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Migin Samal Magar from grade 7A2 standing in front of you to read today's news. So let's start with national news. CIA moves to file charges against 55 individuals, including former minister and secretaries in Pokhara International Airport corruption case. Now let's read international news. The 100 children are said to be handed over the local government officials in Nigeria state on Monday, December 9. According the United Nation source, today in Kathmandu forecast to be part cloudy with high and to 22 degrees Celsius and low 6 to 8 degrees Celsius overnight. Thank you and have a nice day.